What is going on, everyone? In this YouTube video, I will be showing you how to rank your Amazon FBA product to page 1 super fast so you can beat your competition. Every single Amazon FBA seller wants to rank their Amazon FBA product to the first page because that is where all of the customers shop to buy their products. When they buy your products, you get paid. But the biggest problem that we have is that we are not utilizing enough strategies to rank that product to the first page. So today I will be showing you inside of my computer how you can speed up the process so your product can make it to page 1. Let's dive right in. Hey guys, in this tutorial, I will be showing you 3 parts to helping you rank your Amazon FBA product to the very first page. We will be using Amazon.com, Helium 10 Cerebro, and Amazon advertising PPC campaigns. So I want to tell you guys that before we dive right in, this is a strategy that you should try only after you have gotten some results in your Amazon PPC campaigns. So again, if you are a complete newbie, complete beginner, then you may want to come back to this video later. However, if you are starting your Amazon PPC campaigns, you're not getting that many results or traction, then please give this a try. And you do not want to do this starting out, okay? I want to be very clear about that because later on it will make sense. So bear with me. So the very first thing we want to do is find our biggest competitor's product. So if I am selling building blocks, let's pretend that we are all selling building blocks. And I'm going to pretend that this guy right here is my biggest competitor, okay? We're just using this as an example. For your very own product, you want to find your biggest competitor and then copy their ASIN. So I'm just going to copy right here. By the way, you guys need the Helium 10 Chrome extension installed up here so you can see the data that I am pointing at up here. This will not show up unless you have the Helium 10 Chrome extension installed, and then you can see the data that is showing up on top of all of these products. Make sure you guys take advantage of my 20% off coupon code for Helium 10. You get 20% off for 6 months using Helium 10. And Helium 10 is the #1 Amazon software tool that is going to help you grow your business. So let's go back here and let's copy this ASIN. Let's pretend this is our biggest competitor. We are going to go over to Helium 10 Cerebro. So all I did was go to Tools, and then under keyword research, we are going to go to Cerebro Reverse Product Lookup. Now, what I'm trying to do here is to spy on my biggest competitor's keywords. So let's click on Get Keywords. Now, if you guys do not know what keywords mean because you are completely new, it just basically means words that customers are typing into the search bar up here. So I typed in kids building blocks, and that is a keyword, right? So there are other related keywords to this product as well. And when you search your product in the search bar, those are keywords as well. So we are spying on our competitor, our top competitor, the competitor that is making all of the beautiful sales that we want. We are going to spy on them. So just paste the ASIN right here and then click on Get Keywords, and then you will see all of the keywords appear down here. By the way, if you guys do not have a winning product yet that you are selling on Amazon and you need help with finding a good product to sell, then I want to invite you to my free Amazon training in the YouTube description below. Go to the YouTube description box and click on the free training link. Enter your name, enter your email address to watch my 20-minute webinar training where I break down step-by-step my winning product strategy on how you can find products that will pay you over and over again. And if you stick around to the very end of the training, you can apply to book a free one-on-one call with my team, and I can walk you through the entire process on how to find profitable products that will pay you selling on Amazon. So getting back to here, we see a lot of keywords. Now, what we want to do is sort the search volume from big to small. Search volume means how many times a keyword is searched every single month in this Amazon search bar. So if I am a customer and I type in toddler toys in this search bar, it's telling me that there are over 207,000 searches per month. This tells me that this is probably a very saturated keyword. And when I say saturated keyword, it means that there are so many searches in this search bar for that keyword that if you try to advertise your product on the first page, it's going to be difficult for you to rank to the top. So this is actually a really good example. So we have a Tukey Land. This is our competitor, right? They are sponsored very high on page 1, right? They are number 3 position on page 1. And then when I go down, it looks like I cannot find them. Let's keep going down. I just want to show you guys how hard it is to rank for a saturated keyword, a keyword that is searched over and over again. So I'm going down and I cannot find them, right? I cannot find them. So this tells me that this keyword is being searched so much that you probably do not want to try to get on the first page for this gigantic keyword because it's very hard to compete. You want to target keywords that are a little lower in search volume because these keywords are not as highly searched, but since they are less searched, it's easier for your organic product listing to rank to the very first page. So if this Tukey Land building block set was being advertised for a keyword that is much like lower searched here, I guarantee that their organic listing, their actual listing, not their sponsored listing, is probably somewhere closer to page 1. So that's what we want to focus on. So that's number 1. That is very important. Now, number 2, let's go over here and let me show you how this all works. So we want to look for keywords that are specific to our product. So we are selling a kids building block, right? This is our competitor, kids building block. So when we look at the keywords, we want to find a keyword that describes our product. So obviously a keyword like Duplo is not our product. You want to remove that. Lincoln Logs, well, that's not a building block. Board game, that's not a building block. So what we want to do is find a keyword that is describing our product. So, okay, here's a good one. Building blocks for toddlers 1 to 3. Right? And then right here, there are 15,000 searches per month. Not bad. And then over here, this is the most important part, you guys. Match type, under match type, you will see where this keyword is placed for this seller. So for this guy right here, our big competitor, he is running PPC for building blocks for toddlers 1 to 3. This is age 1 to 3. And their organic listing is there for that keyword as well. It says sponsored and it says organic. So let's just verify that. So click on this little arrow and let's see if we can find their listing. Let's keep going down. Well, I found this guy. See, this guy was Melissa and Doug. They were also right here. They are a big brand. So if we keep going down, I think I saw it. Right here. Okay. So you see how that works. When we go to Cerebro, we click on the keyword. It's on the first page for sponsored, right? Now for their organic listing, it's somewhere down the pages as well. So we can tell that this seller is trying very hard to rank their listing using this keyword. They want to move their organic listing higher and higher onto the first page, which is why they are targeting this keyword. So when customers type it in, they can see the product. So you are going to do the same thing if you want to compete with this big competitor. Let me show you how that works. Go over to Amazon PPC, click on sponsored ads, click on continue. And here is where we build an exact match campaign. So ad group name, just name it whatever you like. I'm just speeding through this so I can show you the good stuff. Select your product. So I'm going to add my product. You guys do the same. Targeting, we are doing manual targeting because we want to manually choose our keywords. We want to choose the keyword building blocks for toddlers 1 to 3, right? Automatic targeting means that Amazon is choosing the keywords. Manual targeting means you are choosing the keywords. So we are going to use keyword targeting. And then here is where the magic happens. So you want to go to enter list because you are entering your own keyword. And then you want to uncheck broad and uncheck phrase. And right here under exact, we are going to plug in this keyword, building blocks for toddlers 1 to 3. Pop it in there, click on add keywords, and then we are done. Now, you can add more exact keywords if you go into Cerebro and you look for other keywords that describe your product and you want to compete with the biggest competitor, which is this guy right here. You can literally follow him, you guys, and place your product listing where his is. So this is a really good strategy to use if, say, for example, the biggest competitor is selling 100 pieces for $32.99. Well, what if you are selling 150 pieces for $30.99? This is when you can go to Cerebro, look for keywords that describe your product, and then follow the big seller and target all of the same keywords that he is targeting, because you know that you have a better offer, your product is better, you have more pieces, your price is lower, maybe your quality is lower, whatever else. We are basically tailgating our biggest competitor. If you guys try this and do it for yourselves, I know you guys will get better results with ranking your product for these desired keywords onto page 1. So again, we are looking at keywords that we want to rank for, right? Obviously, we do not want to be on page 1 for the keyword game because it does not describe our product. We want to be on page 1 competing with our competitor who is the top competitor and looking for keywords that are not that saturated. And finally, looking at keywords that describe our product, we want to force our sponsored ad on the same page as our top competitor. So that's all you have to do to create an exact match campaign to follow your top competitor everywhere they go. We can spy on them using Cerebro. We can look at where their sponsor ad is, and then all we do is create the campaign using PPC and then follow them. Now, this again only works if you have a better offer, you have a better quality product, or maybe your price is lower, and it only works really well after you have tried other ways to rank your product to the very first page and you are just dying to steal some sales from your competitor. Now, obviously, there are so many more steps when it comes to becoming profitable selling on Amazon FBA. This is only a part of it. So if you want to learn everything step by step, again, make sure you guys go to my YouTube description box below, click on the free training link to get my training. The training is free, and at the end of the training, you can book a one-on-one call with my team, and we can walk you through beginning to end how we are able to find good products to sell on Amazon and piece together this whole entire business for you so you can make money selling your products using Amazon FBA. If you guys have any questions or comments for me, then please drop it in the comment section below. Help me give this YouTube video a huge thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And I will see you guys next week when I post a new YouTube video.